Hello Finance Directors, Mr. Wilson here. This is the fourth recording I've done because the sound on the last one didn't work, so sorry about that. Hope you weren't too put off. What we're doing is a break-even analysis. So if you can open up a Excel document and work along with me, the idea of this is that you can press pause at any time and catch up. I'm going to do this for my business called Relax Teas. You can follow along and then you will have to do it for your business. Key things in a break-even analysis are the sales price, how much you sell your product for, fixed costs. So if you just type this in the A column, variable cost, break-even point, which we'll have to calculate, the targeted profit, that's what was given to us in our goals, and required sales in order to meet that targeted profit. Firstly, we're going to look at our fixed costs. Don't forget to press pause, go back, and catch up, just so that you can keep with us. Actually work through this one with me, then you can have a crack by yourself. So first thing we've got in terms of fixed cost is the Young Enterprise Scheme fee, and that is $35 times, in my group, 6 members, so 210. We also have, for my t-shirts, I'm going to have to pay a cost, which is a screen printing setup cost. Whether I produce 1 or 1,000, they still charge me that $180. Advertising, salesperson would be quite happy for me to give them a budget, so I'm going to say you got $90. Website, I'm going to put $50 for that. That pays for a domain name. Postage and stationery, and I'm going to put $60 on that and find out what my total fixed costs are by auto summing it. You have to do a real good research on this to find out what those costs are. You need to be able to prove them. It's not just guesswork. So perhaps you need to work with a production director to do that. I'm going to buy t-shirts, $10 each. Screen printing per shirt, it cost me $4 per shirt to put screen printing of Relax Teas, and where where those wheat bags are. A, so that the sewing person knows where to put them, and B, so you know it actually promotion around it. Pouches, that's for the wheat to go in. Spell pouches. $2 each for the pouch for each shirt. The wheat is $2 for the wheat for each shirt. The sewing fee, so I'm going to get somebody else to sew it for me. Pay them $7 a shirt. And lastly, one that's important to me is the sales commission. And I'm going to pay $10 because it's really important to sell. And if I pay someone $10 a shirt, I think they'll be pretty motivated to do that. So I've got total fixed cost $590 and total variable cost of $35. Sales price. So I reckon I can sell them for $49.95. That's what my market research told me I can sell them for. Fixed cost, we'll reference that down to here. Variable cost, we'll reference that down to here. That's the cost per shirt. And major thing that what we're looking at is the difference between our sales price $49.95 and our variable cost $35. Basically $14.95 is called our contribution margin. It's how much each sale contributes to profit. So $14.95. Our break-even point, it's a formula, so we type equals. Click on your fixed cost, divided by your contribution margin, which is your sales price minus your variable cost. Okay, and so we need to sell just over 30 in order to break even. That's not make a profit or a loss. I'm just going to reduce that decimal because 39 sounds a bit funny. Targeted profit, well, my group said they wanted to make 5k in profit. So in order to make 5,000 profit, I'm going to open the brackets, equals your targeted profit plus your fixed cost, divided by your contribution margin. Remember, that's your sales price minus your variable costs. And to make a profit of 5,000, we'd need to sell 574. t-shirts. You can't sell part of a t-shirt, so we need to round it. And always round it up. I know that's rounded down, but we always need to round that up to get their break even. So that's quite nice, eh? It gives a target for the salesperson. Key that they don't try and decrease the sales price, because that'll impact that contribution margin and increase the number of sales we need to do. Let's have a look at our break-even calculations. For your business plan, you are required to present a break-even graph and discuss what that means. So the key parts for our calculations are the output, our variable cost, we type VC, our fixed cost, FC, our total cost, TC, and our revenue. Don't forget to press pause if you just need some time to catch up. Right, now the key elements. Because our break-even point is 39, our output, we want to go about 2/3 of the way down our output before we hit our break-even. It'll give us nicer lines. So our output, I'm going to just do them in 5s. Our break-even is 39, so I'm going to fill down to about 60. So that's if we made and sold 60, how much profit would we make? If we made and sold 15, how much profit or loss would we make? Calculate that, you need the variable cost, and that's equal to the output times the variable cost. And we've put there B5 and press F4 so it absolutes it. That means when I fill down, it will fill down B5 and not B6, B7. Fixed cost is just equal to that 590, and we absolute that as well. Total cost is equal to our variable cost plus our fixed cost. Our revenue is equal to our output times our sales price. That makes sense, eh? We sell 0 at $49.95, our revenue 0. And our profit or loss is equal to our revenue minus our total cost. And you can tell that's $5.90 loss if we sell 0, because you've still got to pay those fixed costs. Because I F5'd or absoluted them, I can just fill down now. Good. And something's wrong here. That's right. Total cost, revenue. I didn't absolute that B3. F4. And we'll try that again. And fill that. Great. Now you see here our break-even is 39. You can see at 40 we're only just making a profit. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to graph it. So highlight from variable costs down to revenue. We don't need the profit line at this stage. Insert, and we're going to insert a line graph. Line graph. Cool. There's our break-even graph. Although we need to tidy a few things up. First thing we need to tidy up is this x-axis. It's not 1 to 13, it should be 0 to 60. So just right click in that x-axis and we'll go select data, and the data we're going to select is at 0 down to 60. Good. Okay. So this shows the lines what we're after. Chart title, let's just fix that up. And the chart title, break even, and my business name, Relax Tees. Awesome. Now looking at our lines, just so that you understand it, this line here, the red line, that's our fixed cost line. Note that's 590 and stays 590 all the way across. Whether we sell 0 or 60, we still have that same fixed cost. Now our variable cost is this one here, and that's equal to the output multiplied by this one here. Variable cost of 35, that's the blue line. Our total cost line is parallel to the variable cost line starting at the fixed cost line. Makes sense because we've got 0, variable cost 0. And if I add those two lines together, that's our total cost line there. The last line, our sales line, you can see that one. You see here's our break-even point here, and that's actually at 39. Coming down to 39. So that's what you've got to copy and paste in. But what I'd like you to do, and this is why a spreadsheet's really useful, is that you can, let's put that there, you can change a few things, and you can put some pressure on. What would happen if we change the sales price to $59? What would happen if we changed it to $29? And the graph will automatically do that for you. Obviously 29 is going to be lost because it's below your variable cost. Let's try and screw down on some of these costs then. So our yes fee, unfortunately that's fixed, we can't change that. Screen printing, probably can't change it either, but let's at the moment, for the first 60 anyway, let's give the advertising guys a budget of $10 to produce some posters. Note that we went from 39 down to 34, need to sell 5 less. Website, well, if you see the salespeople, they see they've got a Stubby one, and those websites are actually free. So let's try a free website and watch at break-even point go down another 3. Postage and stationery, well, let's move that down to 10 as well. Again, what you've got to do is screw down these prices as much as you can. Don't let production or salespeople try to tell you they need to be higher or lower. As low as you can, prices as high as you can. Sales, so you get a higher contribution margin. T-shirt, well, do some research. I'm expecting your production director to give you 3 quotes before they purchase anything. I know that I go on AliExpress, I can buy, even Alibaba.com, I can buy white shirts for $3.95. And you watch this, we're at 27 already, we changed that, and boom, we go down to 27 less you need to sell. Screen printing, probably can't change that. Pouches, well, if I buy 20, I could probably get that down to 50 cents each. Again, find a good supply. And if I buy wheat in bulk, I could probably screw that down to about 75 cents. Actually, make that 95. It'll help our figures up the top. Sewing, $7. I'm no good at sewing. You might have someone in your group or someone you knows how to do that, but at the moment we'll just leave that at 7. And sales commission, first 60, we're going to sell those ourselves. We're going to make that 0. So you can see we've gone from 39 break even down to 12, from 380 in order to make 5,000 profit to 161. So what I'd like you to do, 2 things. Number 1 is do your initial break even. This part here through to this part here, you're going to put that into a Word document, give it to your communications director and say this is my contribution to start with. Secondly, I want you to do an if. If we were able to bring our prices down, work really, really hard to bring these prices down, see what sort of thing, and you can see that break even, boom. In actual fact, your graph, because it's so low now, we're down to 12, we might just go 2, 4, 6, 8 to make your graph look a little nicer. And you can see there that our break even there is nice and 12. So your job, make this pretty, give it to your communications director. This is the first part of what you are required to do as the finance director. The next part we're going to do is use the figures on the spreadsheet that you create for your business, and we're going to create a cash budget. And that cash budget is going to go from this month, which is March, through all the way to July. And hopefully in July you've got a business that's really profitable, phase 2 in terms of selling, and you'll be cashing out at that point in time. Good luck with that. Again, watching the video first. Secondly, have a crack using your own costings. Research your costs well. Good. See me if you've got any problems.